Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a shortcut for Memoly using the Shortcuts app. With this shortcut, you will be able to add any image from your library to your memories. First, go into the app settings by tapping on the icon on the top right corner. Now go to Integrations. Here you have an overview about all available integrations. Click on Create New Shortcut. The Shortcuts app will launch and will open a new shortcut for you. Now press on Add Action. Go to the app section and scroll down until you have found Memoly. Tap on Memoly and select Create New Memory. Now tap on the arrow to expand the view. Long press on Choose to select an input for the image. Select Variable. Now press on Shortcut Input. Tap on any and clear the selection. Only select images. Now tap on Nowhere and enable the Share Sheet option. Hit Done to save the shortcut and close the app. You can now go to your photos and select an image you want to be in your memory. Tap on the Share button and scroll down until you find Create New Memory. Tap on it. Add a text. Add a feeling. Add actions. I skipped the link. Now your memory is created with your selected image, as you can see in the app.